I'm Craig West, Director of Packaging Systems for TPC Packaging Solutions. And today I'd like to show you how placing the WF20 fully automatic case erector from Wexar Bel on your production floor will result in less downtime and higher productivity. When considering the addition of a case erecting solution to your facility, it's a given that the production environment in which it's going to be placed will require a machine that can be trusted to perform in overcoming the challenges that you deal with daily. Challenges such as the experience level and number of your line operators that can drastically change from day to day and shift to shift. The corrugate boxes that you purchase come with imperfections such as misaligned glue joints or warping of the board. The WF20 case erector from Wexar Bel overcomes these challenges through simplicity and innovation that allows it to operate in a way that is not only forgiving of the corrugate you are using, but forgiving of your line personnel on any day and any shift as well. The WF20 is built standard with a 6-foot magazine that can hold 250 to 300 cases depending on their thickness. The cases are loaded upright in the magazine and will never change that configuration through the forming and sealing sections, so that when the case exits the machine, it's ready to be conveyed to its next point in your production line. Your operators are in a hurry, and when they reload the next set of boxes, they won't always get those boxes perfectly aligned. The WF20 can overcome that through its dual belt drive system that independently controls each belt. This results in the boxes traveling through without any kind of skewing, as the belts provide compensation should one side of the box get ahead of the other as it heads to the forming section. This results in boxes ready to be formed in their correct presentation and eliminates one of the causes of a case jamming and stopping your production line when it's time to start separating each case to be built. In a case erector, case separation can be an area that your operator or maintenance team member has to return to again and again if it doesn't perform properly. When a box reaches the forming section of a WF20, it sets itself apart from other case erectors in how it executes that primary case separation. This machine masters the step as each flat case is selected from the magazine and injected up and into the jaw plate, which possesses the Wexar Bel patented pin and dome system. The pin and dome system is important in its comparison to other case erectors that will employ a suction cup to open your boxes. These cups will grab the panels of your imperfect corrugate and attempt to open those boxes each and every time while battling corrugate dust and other environmental factors that will make those cups simply dry out. In comparison, pin and dome mechanical technology grabs and opens your box by its flutes, which gives you greater control of that box and compensates for irregularities in the joints and the panels that exist in your boxes today. Greater control will greatly reduce case jams, and as you know, when your case erector is jamming, your line isn't running. Now that the case is secure, the jaw plates will open and the box is ready to be formed. As the case comes down, the WF20 folds in the minor flaps while trapping the majors in its rotary folders. And this step also plays a big factor in overcoming improperly scored boxes in which the folds may be too rigid. At the end of this step, you have a tight form on the bottom of the case and it's ready to be sealed. The sealing section of a WF20 is available in either a Dekka tape or Nordson hot melt glue version, which are both known widely for their ruggedness and dependability. This erector utilizes the Dekka 3-inch tape head, and as you can see, when your box is being sealed, it's also being moved forward by your compliant side belts, whose width adjustment is independent of the rest of the machine. This is an added benefit that allows for a consistent, firm grasp of each case as it travels and receives a tight seal before it leaves the erector. The user-friendly HMI guides you through the startup of the machine, but most importantly can directly show your personnel any spot in this machine requiring attention through its sensors and photo guides. In addition, the WF20 also has 360-degree visual step-by-step color-coded instructions that will both aid your operators and maintenance personnel in its operation. One last important note should address changing from one box size to another, as changeover of your boxes and the time it takes to perform this function is a key concern to minimize extended downtime. Changing boxes in the WF20 can simply be completed by following these color-coded patterns and setting their corresponded colored handles to your next box size. This will guide even the beginning user on any shift so efficiently that this function can be completed in just a matter of minutes. At TPC, we're proud to promote, sell, and provide service for this superior case erector from Wexar Bel, and we know it will prove to be a dependable workhorse on your production floor.